So actually right now, we're sitting inside and just watching the rain do its thing. This is the best time to assess the low spots in your yard. As now I'm looking, I can see where all of my water collects, and that's what actually hurt my blueberry bush right there, actually, by being in that location. I had to move it, but if you can look over there closer to the raised bed, it's good and high. This is the reason here, as we span a little to the right, this is the reason why we have yet been able to get our bed planted, that second bed. As the rain pours though, you can see now that this is the reason why we've chosen to go with higher rows. Some people plant directly in the ground or flat rows, but you would see where that water looks like a little river in the middle, and we went with the flat row aspect. That's basically what we would get, is a flooded out, drowned out piece of plant. And the same thing going back. So we've been doing this for over a year, assessing the high and low spots in the yard, and doing that's kind of like a pre-planted thing, and that will help you understand that when you do plant and when you do get ready to plant, why you may lose a lot of your crop from flooding if you are in a rainy environment. But if you see right here, we have our squash and our tomatoes. They look unaffected by the rain, and it's actually been raining, I would say right now, maybe about 10-12 hours. Just this consistent rain. So I think that what I'm gonna do is, if we get a break in the rain, I'll take you out there to let you see exactly how these high beds are. It's kind of like having raised beds, but not with the raised beds with the wood around it. But it's the same concept, to build your rows as high as you can. And I'll take you out there, we'll go out there and we'll see exactly why we built them this high. And maybe that may be something that you'll do at your property, at your home, for your low spots. Because some people have low spots and tend not to grow anything on them. But we say if you can fix it to grow, then why not? All right. So she jumped out of the window. And I'm not gonna bring this camera out there. It's pretty cold. It's getting colder too. Now how you gonna jump back in the window?
No, I'm going to the house.
You gonna run around?
I'm gonna go around like this.
It's really flooded? Let me see. Do it again? Yeah. When the rain stops, we'll go out and check it out. But look how dry it is. And those top rows are gonna dry faster than anything else. So we'll be good. And we won't have to water because it'll continually feed. So we're eventually gonna, I told you this will be a one-till thing. Once we get the transportation to get us enough wood chips in here, we'll wood chip this over. This is the reason why it's holding a lot of water, because the rows are dug a little deep. But the reason we dug the rows and got this up high was, if it was down here, this whole part of the yard would still be holding water. So by us having the taller rows, it can allow the plants to access that water from around it, but not sit in the water. That's what we don't want the roots to do. You don't want your roots to just sit in the water. So they're up high, but they're still grabbing that water if they need it. Just say if if the water stayed for maybe a day or two, that would be good, because then we wouldn't have to water at all, because the plants will be soaking in and the ground will be soaking in the water from underneath. As opposed to the raised bed, even though it's been raining for 12 hours or more, maybe in a day or so, we're going to have to water that one again. This, we won't have to water this for maybe, I would say maybe the end of the week. Today is Saturday, so we might not have to water again until maybe Thursday or Friday, based off how much water, how long that water holds there. So that's just something quick we wanted to talk about, something that we wanted y'all to come and look at. As you can see here, we have more low spots. So in your gardening process, even right here, where we're at now, if you can back up and let them see that. You can't put a garden here and put flat rows, because you're gonna waste your time. So in your gardening process, just remember, even though it's low areas, it doesn't mean you can't grow there. You just need to raise the soil. So if you're willing to raise the soil level, then you can grow there perfectly. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right about that? Y'all know I'm right about it. All right, so thank y'all for watching Louisiana Gardening Family. We just talking about low spots in yards and the reason behind our high bed, and why we've actually mounted them up so high, like we're growing potatoes or something. But that's the reason for that. So thank y'all for watching us. Thank y'all for staying with us. And peace.
Grow, grow, grow.